Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss Menkes disease, Wilson disease, scurvy, Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, osteogenesis imperfecta, and lastly Marfan syndrome. So let's begin with Menkes disease and Wilson disease. Menkes disease is caused by copper deficiency and Wilson disease is caused by copper overload. Genetics: Menkes disease is X-linked recessive disease and Wilson disease is autosomal recessive disease. Prevalence: Menkes disease is extremely rare and Wilson disease is also rare condition. Defective gene is ATP7A and in Wilson disease defective gene is ATP7B. Chromosome location is X chromosome, long arm and segment is 13.3. Wilson disease chromosome location is 13, long arm. Pathognomonic feature in Menkes disease is kinky hair and in Wilson disease Kaiser-Fleischer ring is present. Kinky hair are depigmented gray hair which is easily broken. Kaiser-Fleischer ring is dark ring that appears to encircle the iris of the eye due to copper deposition in Descemet's membrane of cornea. Main clinical features in Menkes disease are neurological symptoms, hypopigmentation, connective tissue symptoms, and in Wilson disease there is neurological dysfunction and liver cirrhosis. Onset of Menkes disease is at birth and Wilson disease occurs in late childhood. Pathogenic defect is intestinal absorption of copper, and in case of Wilson disease there is defective biliary excretion which leads to accumulation of copper in liver, brain and other tissue. There is excess of copper which released into circulation. Laboratory finding in Menkes disease. Menkes disease is caused by copper deficiency, so that there is decreased serum copper, decreased serum ceruloplasmin and decreased liver copper concentration. In Wilson disease, serum copper level is decreased, ceruloplasmin is low, increased urinary copper excretion and there is copper overload, so that liver copper concentration is increased. In Wilson disease, there is impaired biliary excretion of copper and impaired incorporation of copper into ceruloplasmin, so that there is low level of ceruloplasmin. In Menkes disease, there is intestinal absorption of copper is impaired and copper is required for normal functioning of enzymes like lysyl oxidase. Copper acts as cofactor for enzyme lysyl oxidase. Lysyl oxidase is required for conversion of tropocollagen to collagen fibrils. Scurvy is caused by deficiency of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. There is impaired collagen synthesis due to deficiency of enzyme propyl and lysyl hydroxylases. These two enzymes is required for hydroxylation process. Lysine and prolysin undergo hydroxylation in presence of these two enzymes, and ascorbic acid or vitamin C is cofactor for these enzymes. What is hydroxylation process? Hydroxylation process is essential part of incorporating more hydrogen molecule in pro-alpha collagen chain, so that there are more hydrogen bonds between different alpha collagen chain. More hydrogen bonds mean stronger triple helix because hydrogen bonds are strong bonds. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. It is caused by abnormal collagen synthesis. Classical vascular and hypermobile type is autosomal dominant and cardiac valvular type is autosomal recessive. Classical Ehlers-Danlos syndrome is caused by mutation in collagen 5 alpha 1 chain and collagen 5 alpha 2 chain. Vascular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome is a lethal condition and it is caused by mutation in collagen 3 alpha 1 chain. Cardiac valvular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome is caused by mutation in collagen 1 alpha 2 chain. Clinical features of classical EDS are skin hyperextensibility, joint hypermobility and wide atrophic scar. Clinical features of hypermobile EDS is involvement of skin. Skin is soft, smooth and velvety and there is joint hypermobility. Next topic is osteogenesis imperfecta. In this disease there is defect in type 1 collagen. Type 1 collagen is major protein of bone matrix and there is mutation in collagen 1 alpha 1 chain or collagen 1 alpha 2 chain. Osteogenesis imperfecta type 1 is quantitative defect and type 2, 3, 4 is qualitative defect. Type 1 is autosomal dominant. It is most common, least severe and having clinical features of blue sclera. Type 2 is lethal condition and autosomal dominant. Type 3 may be autosomal dominant or autosomal recessive. It is most severe and there is early and numerous fracture is present. Type 4 is autosomal dominant and it is not severe as type 3, but fracture is common in type 4 also. Last topic is Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome is autosomal dominant condition. In Marfan syndrome, there is gene mutation in fibrillin 1, which is present on chromosome 15, and this results in defective fibrillin protein formation. Fibrillin is component of elastin. Marfan syndrome classically present as tall patient with hypermobile joint, Mitral valve abnormality and aortic dissection are frequently seen. In Marfan syndrome, ectopial lentis is present, and ectopial lentis of Marfan syndrome is typically bilateral and lens is dislocated superiorly and temporally. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.